Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living, and this morning we're going to be doing a really good recipe that's fast and easy, a one pot recipe. All you got to do is just dump and go. And Marie, she's still having some problems this morning. She's feeling a little bit better, but I didn't want to put her through having to do this video, so I'm going to do it for her and try to help out a little bit this morning. This will be for our supper that we're going to be having tonight. And like I said, it's a real easy recipe. It's called Southwestern bean soup. It's very similar to a chili, and it might remind you a little bit of a taco bean soup. It's very similar to that too. So let me get started. The first ingredients, like I said, it's just dump and go. I'm going to use 1 can of black beans. They've already been washed and drained, and I put them in a crock pot that I've already sprayed it first. Going to be using 1 can of pinto beans. They've also been washed and drained. And I'm going to be using 1 can of kidney beans. Now these are the light red kidney beans. If you've got them, use the dark red kidney beans. I think they look better in the soup. Today I'm using supplies that came off of our prepper shelf out there, and we just happen to have more of these light reds. So I'm going to be using them. They're the oldest ones. And they've been washed and drained also. I'll be using 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And these have the seasoning in them. It has basil, garlic, and oregano. But you can use any type of diced tomatoes that you want to use. Or you can use the stewed tomatoes, either one. But just pour them right in. Okay, and that's 2 cans of the tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to be adding to this 2 cans of beef broth. This is the 2nd can of beef broth. Okay, for our seasonings, let me go ahead and just give this one little stir. Okay, that looks real good. For our seasonings, I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon of chili powder. I'll be putting 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm only going to use a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of butter. I've already got it sliced down so it'll melt out a little bit easier. And we had a very large onion. So I actually only used 1/4 of an onion, and I used about a half of a bell pepper, but I've got it diced up. Add that to the recipe. And this is the Velveeta cheese, and I'm only using 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese. When we buy it in the 2-pound blocks. So this is 1/4 of a 2-pound block. And just add that right in there to it. Give it a good stir. Just look how beautiful that looks. That has got some really good color to it. Okay, now that's what it looks like before it cooks. And I'm going to be cooking this on low for about 6 hours. And I am using Marie's older crock pot. I feel like it cooks a little bit higher than the new one that we have, the Pioneer Woman. It don't seem to cook as high of temperature as our old one does. But let me get this turned on. Gonna let this cook for 6 hours on low, and when it gets done we'll come back and plate up a bowl of it and show you how it looks.
Hi everyone. Me and Kevin just got back from the general dollar store. At Walmart's, I was looking for a particular type of soup on grocery pickup, and they didn't have it. So I said, well, let's run down to the general dollar store and see if they have it. And sure enough, they did. It was cream of bacon was what I was looking for. And also, I noticed they had out some of their Christmas decorations and stuff. And so I found this fall apron, and I seen somebody else that got one of these aprons from the general dollar store, and I was looking for a particular one with the truck on it, but she said that she was going to have a lot more Christmas stuff out this week, so I'm going to be checking back, see if I can find it. And I thought this was a real good deal. So then also they had some cute little towels. So I thought those would be really cute too. On one of them it says, "Home for the Holidays." I thought that one was real cute with the little cardinal on it. And then naturally the truck. Everybody likes the truck. And it's the pattern, checkerboard pattern. Forget what you call that. What do you call that, Calvin?
I don't know, Marie.
Anyway, I thought that was cute, so I got that one. And Kevin looked shocked when I asked him that. I put him on the spot. Okay, and then also when we go off all the time, lots of times I'll be drinking my coffee, and I'll have like half of it left in a cup. So I got these little cups so that when I go off, I can pour it in it and finish my coffee up. And then this week I'm dealing with an abscess tooth. So I'll be eating a lot of ice cream, and so I got me some ice cream for that. And so this soup is really smelling good over here too, that Calvin just did the recipe for me for. I can't wait to get it later this evening. So, see you in a little while. I thought I'd try my apron on and show you how my little $5 apron looks. And y'all have to excuse me today. I'm having a bad hair day, so I got my cap on. But anyway, it's pretty good for $5. I like it. I'm gonna get me a Christmas one also whenever they put the Christmas stuff out.
Okay, our southwestern bean soup is done. I just turned it off and moved it back over on this workstation. I've been letting it cook over here on our countertop because it does get very hot. This crock pot really heats up. But let me open it up. It really looks good there. Let me give it a stir. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. I may have to get my other camera over here a little bit closer so you can see it better. That really looks good. And then I also made some cornbread, and we're going to be having a piece of cornbread. This is just regular cornbread. I didn't make the Mexican cornbread today, but we're going to have cornbread, and we're going to be having some tea to go with this meal tonight also. So let me get the camera over here a little bit closer so I can show you that. Okay, let me stir it a little bit and show you how it looks. But that really looks good, and it's hot. I'm going to dip us out a bowl, and we may have to wait a few minutes before we're going to be able to eat it. But I'll dip us out a bowl and let it be cooling down some. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and dip us out a bowl. That looks nice. Get some cheese over here. I'm going to put some cheese on this one. Okay. And this is some Mexican Fiesta blend cheese. Just put a little bit right on top there. Okay, and that's going to be our supper for tonight. And let me cut us a slice of cornbread. Now the cornbread, I cooked it just a little while ago, so it's already cooled off by now. So it shouldn't be too hard to cut. And there's our cornbread. There's Maria piece. There's Maria piece. And that's how the cornbread looks on the inside there. Okay, let me let this cool off just a second, and then I'll give it a quick taste. Okay, this has been cooling off for just a few minutes, so let me give it a taste test. Like Marie would say, this is the best part. I don't know, Marie, it's pretty hot still, but I'll give a small taste. Very good. I think we got just the right amount of chili powders in it. It's got a real good taste to it. And let me try another bite and get some of the onions in this bite here. That cheese is nice and stringy. That cheese, that Velveeta cheese that we put down in the middle of it while it was cooking, that's real good. I'm enjoying this. It's very good. Marie, I may have to get 2 bowls of this. I don't know if 1 bowl is going to be enough for me or not. But that's really good. I'm enjoying that. Thanks everyone for watching me make this meal. Like I said, this is just a 1-pot meal. It's real easy to make, and we actually use most of the ingredients we put in here as part of our prepper supplies. And so it does make a good prepper meal also. And it's really delicious. We're going to enjoy it tonight for supper. And so if you do try this meal, let us know that you tried it and liked it. And as Marie always says at the end of her videos, do what you love and love what you do. Y'all have a great evening. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.